Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph a line given its equation in slope-intercept form. So my equation of a line is y equal negative 2x minus 3. Okay, so this equation of a line is written in slope-intercept form. Why am I saying that? Because it's written in the form of y equal mx plus b. So now we can see here that m represent a number in front of x. And for our example right here, m is equal to negative 2. Now, to graph the line, I always ask my students, so I will ask you to write the number as a fraction. How do we write negative 2 as a fraction? You draw a line and you write 1 under. Okay, so now let's look at this. So remember, the number on top represents the rise. It's a ratio of the rise over the run. So the rise is negative 2. Okay, because the rise is a negative number, I know that when you build a line, you have to go down 2 units. Why going down 2 units? Because 2 is negative. Then the 1, are you going to go? The run means you're moving horizontally, either to the left or to the right. Because the 1 is positive, it means that you're going to go to the right 1 time. Why? Because 1 is positive. Okay, now where do we start to build a line? Where do we start from going down 2 and moving to the right 1? Where do we start? Remember, you always start at the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is a constant, which is the number by itself, or the number added to the term with the x. So here the number is negative 3. Negative 3 is added to negative 2x. So the y-intercept, as mathematician in algebra, we define, or you label y-intercept as b. Okay, it has been decreed a long time ago. There's nothing you can do about it. So when I write b, I'm referring to the y-intercept. So you want to look on the y-axis. Okay, the line is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. And we can see that the line crosses the y-axis at negative 3. Okay, so now we have all this information, okay? So now we can build a line. And how do we do this? Again, we want to start, okay, let me write always start at the y-intercept. Okay, so always start at the y-intercept. And what is a y-intercept? Is a y-intercept on the x-axis or the y-axis? Okay, I hope you can tell y-intercept means the y-axis. You need to look on the y-axis, and then I'm going to look at negative 3. And negative 3 is going to be, 0 is here. So negative 3 is going to be below the origin. So 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 is right here. So I'm going to place a dot at negative 3. Okay, our starting point. Then you want to place your pencil right there. And what are you going, or your pencil and your pen, and what are you going to do? You're going to follow the direction of a slope, which means I'm going to go down 2 units. So watch me. So let me change color. So you're going to take a pen. Okay, I'm going to use a pencil. So you want to go down, you count 1, 2, and then you want to move to the right 1 time. Then you place your dot right there. Okay, so what am I doing right now to build my line? I'm going down 2 and moving to the right 1. So I'm going down 2 and to the right 1. So then I place my dot. Okay, I have to make sure I go down 2 and then move to the right 1. Then I place my dot. Okay, the other pair. So what do I do next? I go down 2 and move to the right 1. Okay, I go down 2. Let me move it up a little bit. So I'm going down 2 and move to the right 1. Okay. So I am done building the other pair of the dot for the right side of the line. So if I want to build the other side of the line, okay. If I want to build the left side of the line, what am I going to do? Okay. So I want to continue the same patterns. So to continue the same patterns, always go back to the y-intercept. And remember, you used to go down 2 and then move to the right 1. So what are you going to do? You go back to the y-intercept. So you're going to go backward because you want to graph the back, okay? So you want to go backward, so you're going to go up 2, and then instead of going down 2, you go up 2, and instead of going to the right, you're going to go to the left. 1 unit, and you place your other pair right there, okay? So what am I going? I'm going up 2 and to the left 1, okay? You're going to go up 2 and to the left 1, then you place your other pair, okay? You go up 2 and to the right 1, up 2 and to the, so you go up 2 and to the left 1, sorry. You go up 2 and to the left 1, up 2 and to the left 1. Okay, so I believe we have enough other pair. Okay, let me erase the steps. Okay, so we have enough other pair. Okay, the more the better. If you have, don't do only 1 or 2 dots. Do as many as you can until you get off the shot. Okay, so then you want to use your pen or your pencil and connect the dot with the ruler. Make sure it to be a straight line. And because the line continues on both ends, so you want to use an arrows on both ends of the line. Why? The line keeps on going forever. And in algebra, when you graph to represent forever, on the graph you include arrows. Continue forever, you include arrows. And we graph the equation of a line y equal negative 2x minus 3. So the y-intercept is at negative 3. And the slope, and you can tell that the slope is negative. How do I know that the slope is a negative? Watch. As the x value becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, what is happening on the right side, on the right arrow? The arrow is pointing down. Okay. As the x value keep on increasing, the line, the arrows on the right is going down. Okay, I know for sure that the slope is negative. Okay, as the x value gets bigger, right, the y value are becoming more and more negatives. So I know the slope must be negative. Okay, that's the way I can tell. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope it makes more sense on how to graph a line given its equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.